Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Google Cloud Build is a service that automates building, testing, and deploying applications in the Google Cloud environment. With Cloud Build, you can set up triggers that automatically initiate builds when specific events occur, like code commits to a Git repository. The python-cloudbuild library is a Python client library that allows you to interact with Google Cloud Build programmatically. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use python-cloudbuild to run a build trigger. Before you get started, make sure you have the following prerequisites in place. Google Cloud Project. You need to have a Google Cloud project with the Cloud Build API enabled. Service account. Create a service account with appropriate permissions for using the Cloud Build API. Download the JSON key file for this service account. Python and pip. Ensure you have Python 3 installed on your system, along with the pip package manager. Python Cloud Build. Install the Python Cloud Build library using pip. Cloud Build configuration. You should have a Cloud Build configuration file, usually named cloudbuild.yaml or cloudbuild.json, in your source code repository. This file specifies the build steps and settings for your project. To use the Python Cloud Build library, you need to authenticate with Google Cloud using the service account key JSON file you downloaded earlier. You can set the Google_application_credentials environment variable to point to this file. Replace path/to/your/service account key.json with the actual path to your service account key file. Now that you're authenticated with Google Cloud, you can use Python Cloud Build to run a build trigger. Here's an example of how to do this. Make sure to replace your project ID and your trigger ID with your Google Cloud project ID and the ID of the Cloud Build trigger you want to run. This script creates a build trigger client instance, prepares a request to run the specified trigger on a specific branch, and then waits for the build to complete. The build status is printed to the console. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use the Python Cloud Build library to run a Cloud Build trigger programmatically. With this knowledge, you can automate your build processes and integrate them into your development and deployment workflows on Google Cloud Platform. ChatGPT.